We start with the Chrome extension.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry, I have to ask you again to pronounce because I can't type.
No, I just love this Chrome extension, and I found out that it's actually Danish. It's all in Danish. I think someone at the Danish broadcasting company developed it, actually. Anyways, it's called Dr. Lydoptager, means Dr. Sound Recorder, and you just download it. And what it does, it gives you can record everything when you're in a Chrome browser. And it's such an easy way. If I click here I have it here, then I can record, any video or audio stuff that you have in your Chrome browser, and save it, and then you have it here as a file that you could just put in your work, and it's so easy. Yeah, so it's just such an easy way to grab good stuff out on the internet and put it in your story.
Yeah, and especially if you're doing something with audio, or you're going to transcribe maybe a video or something like that, and then there will be other tools maybe to do a speech to text. But this is very good to have in browser audio and record it.
Yeah.
Well, great tip. Call it a hack maybe. And then you said there's another thing.